Hello and welcome. In this tutorial I will show you how to perform an export of your energy bill in GridVis Desktop. First, open the Data Export overview and then select Export Energy Bill. Select whether the export should be created automatically and what period it should cover. Select the devices to be included in the export. Configure the price groups for your export. Enter your fixed costs, such as the basic fee and the value-added tax. Assign a measured value and price group to the devices added previously. Enter the contact information required for the export and select which information to display in the header. Configure the layout of the energy bill. Specify whether a chart and a consumption table should be attached to the bill. Select the file format and the settings for saving the export. Finally, select whether the script for the energy bill should be executed directly or saved first. Saved scripts must then be executed manually afterwards. A schedule can also be used to start saved scripts automatically on a regular basis. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial. For more information, please visit wiki.janitzer.de